Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today I have an unboxing from Foldie. So I apologize for this wonderful lighting, but I am not at my house. I am actually at my mom's house, and my mom, she fell and cracked her back in two places, her lower back. So she's in rehab. And my two sisters and I have been alternating going and being with her during this time. And I'm kind of taking a little break. And I ordered a couple of fanny packs. They're not really fanny packs. I don't know what they call them. What are they called? Actually, I think they call them crossbody bags today, but back in the day when they first came out, many, many moons ago, we called them fanny packs. So back in December, I actually ordered a couple of them. I ordered one in this color, which I use a lot. And then it was buy one, get one free. So my freebie, I got this blue one. Isn't it really pretty? I love this color. I noticed they were back on sale again, and they're fixing to go up because of, well, all the stuff that's going on right now as far as taxes and tariffs go. And I needed to get a black one, and they were buy one get one free. And I know my daughter, she saw my Foldie and she was like, oh, I want one. So I'm giving her the free one. And it's in a green color, but I want to show you these. Let's see. So thanks for choosing us. Got this little thing here. Unfold, pack, and explore. You can actually fold these up into like a little travel size where you can just throw it. If you're not actually using the bag, you can throw it in your suitcase and go. They're good for traveling and all. But anyway, it talks a little bit about all that in there. And here are the two bags. Here's the black one. And they come in very nice little Ziploc bags here. I've actually used these to store some of my doll dresses and stuff in. This one must be the green one. Yes. Okay. There we go. It kind of looks gray though, but in person it's green. So I don't know how your particular monitor is showing this, but it is very kind of a gray green, I guess you could say. It's khaki-ish, not khaki-ish, camo-ish. Personally, I like colors like this better. But my daughter is more of a muted person. Okay, now let's look and see what's inside. So we have this really nice strap. It's very easy to adjust with this. You can also open this up, which it's not that easy to open. Let's see. I think, okay, you have to push, you push this button and you push these and it comes out. These are really good for like when you're on vacation, when you're traveling, or when you're just around and about shopping. They're not that easy for thieves to pickpocket you or to steal your purse. So that's why, one of the reasons I really like it, but I'll put that back in there. And to adjust it, you just do this. Let's see. That made it, I want this bigger. So go this way. Actually, I'm making it smaller. I do want it smaller because this I actually want to use as a fanny pack. And there's a reason for that. Let's see. Let me take my sweater off. I'm always cold, so I wear jackets a lot. Okay, so the reason I want it on my fanny or my waist is because I'm actually part of a dance group. And this dance group, we do a lot of parades, we do a lot of festivals and stuff like that. And I want to have something that is not a backpack or a front pack or a crossbody that I can, carry my stuff in. I know a lot of the ladies on this dance group, they wear these fanny packs, and I put a bottle of water in there, my ID, my whatever it is I need for the day. So let's look inside here. Let's start in the back. The zipper in the back. So you can put maybe your money or your keys or something back here. And then in the front, it actually has 2 zippers. And let's see. You see this right here? You can put these over here and clip them together, and it's theft proof. Okay, inside here we have pockets. Yes, it's RFID safe, but you can put all your credit cards and your driver's license or whatever you need here. Let's see, there's one big one here, and then there's 1, 2, 3 here. And then you have a big hole in the middle, and yes, a water bottle will fit in here. Now, if you want to wear crossbody, which that's normally how I wear mine, this is what it looks like. And you can tighten it up further if you want it like this, if you want it looser. But I have really enjoyed my Foldie, and I know my daughter is going to like her Foldie. I can't wait to see her and give it to her. Have y'all tried the Foldie? Let me know down in the comment section below what you think of it and what color is your favorite. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.